So how's it going, guys? Today I'm gonna open 10 100k packs. So hopefully we got it from Gareth Bill. This from the transfer market in FIFA 15 EOS and Android. iOS and Android are not working right now. First pack we got Santi Cazorla. Liverpool to Arsenal. They had a great game actually. Oh, we got in from well back. That's good actually. Don't worry about the background. Why is the transfer market not working? Second pack we got in from well back. That's not bad actually. We got two more space. We got build a new in from both time. Come on, inform both time, inform B, inform both time, inform B, inform both time, inform B, inform both time. I see. Oh my god, we got a new inform Shakir. That's actually good. We got Ed Kane. Yes, 20 pace before shooting. That's gonna go straight to my club. Yes. Come on, you. Continue this attack clock. Come on. Another inform. Oh my god. Inform back to back. Is there any inform more? Oh, David De Gea. Come on. Can we get third back to back inform? Come on, we can do this. No, we got Juan Mata. That's not bad actually. Come on, this pack opening is awesome. We got Shakiri, we got Welbeck, we got new inform. I think we got like 3 inform now. Kadira. That's decent. It's better than nothing, right? Rated. Come on. From Bhutan. I really want the inform Botang. Oh, we got inform Jacko. Oh my god, I think I already have like 2 cards of this one. Oh my English sucks. That's awesome. We got inform Botang. One more rate. One. Come on. I don't know what to say anymore, man. Got like 4 inform. Come on. Is that inform well back? God. That's inform well back, right? Oh my god. This pack opening is the best. Come on. You got 3 more packs. What an inform Boateng. You need inform Boateng goods. From Boateng, Oscar, and yeah, guys, I'm finding for a guy that can make thumbnail for me. So if you guys wanna contact me or anything, I will put all my Twitter, Instagram all down below, my Kick or Facebook or I need someone to make thumbnails for me. Come on, 2 more packs, 2 more packs. Inform? Oh, PK. Come on, last pack, guys. No look. Inform? Oh, we got racked, but it's okay, guys. We can open 35k packs. Can open like 2 of them, and we can open like 115k packs. We still got chance. Valiant. Oh my god, look at that piece. Tyson, you got this. Let's go straight in the club. Come on, we can do this. Oh, we can open this, and we can open 7.5k packs. We get inform. No, we got some. Yeah, we could silver player. Last pack, guys. There's no turning back. Oh. So, guys, this, oh my god, this pack opening is really awesome. Let's see what we got. See, we full our transfer list. Wait, let me check. What did we get? It's not. No. Okay, let's start from here. I know all Lakers not back him, so we got 2 freaking well. We got Daniel back. We got 1 Deco, and we got Shaqiri and the other guy, 77 rated. I don't know who's that guy. So look, don't believe me, right? When I'm not recording, I pack 2 85 rated Deco and this guy and Daniel back. Oh my god, 100k packs. Your pack luck is coming to me now. So that's all for today, guys. If you enjoyed, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I'm thinking to make Minecraft videos. If you want me to make Minecraft videos, put in the comment section. Do you want me to make Minecraft videos? So that's all for today, guys. Like this video if you enjoy, and subscribe to my channel if you are new. So bye bye, guys, and peace out.